Hello everyone. Now in this lecture we will know about the next point. That one is file pointers. We already know about the stream and files, stream classes, then stream errors, or it may be the how to create the file, how to open the file, how to write into the file, then how to close it, and we can say that that one is a disk file input output with the streams, right? Now again, when we create the file, it's some pointers are there. With the help of that pointers we can access the file with a multiple ways. That one is a file pointers. Now the concept, that one is a file pointers. Every file maintain two pointers called the get pointer in an input mode file, and for the and a put pointer in an output mode file. It comes with the two pointers. It's a get pointer and put pointer, which tells the current position in the file where reading or writing will be a text place. Means if we go with a particular file pointer, right, like a get pointer, that one is a use of get pointer, where the reading, get pointer means what, we just read the content from the file. Then put pointers, that one is used for put pointer, that one is used to write into the file, right? Which one is gives a position to read a position of the file from which we want to read the file, or it may be from which we want to write the data into the file. That is simply the get pointer and put pointers. This pointer help attain the random access in the file. If we just create one file, right, it particular file contains some data. If we want to read the file from this position to this, then we need to this type of a get pointer, or it may be we need a get pointer to read the file from a particular specific position to a specific position, or it may be like from this to this we want to read the file. Then we need this get pointers. Now we want to write into the file, and we want to then we need a put pointers to write, like we want to write from the ending of the file, or it may be in between the this and this position we need to write something into the file. Then we use the put pointers. This pointer help attain to random access in the file. That means moving directly to any location in the file instead of moving through its sequence. That one is simply the use. There may be a situation where random access is in the base choice. For example, if we have or we want to modify the record 21 in the file, then we can directly search that record into a file and we can modify it. No need to go with the sequentially line by line and then it found the record of the 21 and then we change. We can directly go with the particular specific location with the help of this pointers. That one is the get pointer and put pointers. Now it run with the seekg, seekp, tellg, tellp functions. Now we will know about what exact the use of these functions. In a C++, a random access is achieved by manipulating the seekg and seekp, tellg and tellp functions. Now seekg and tellg functions allow you to send and examine the get pointers. seekg and tellg, which one is used under the get pointer, we can say that here is a process. If we want to work related to the get pointer, we use this function seekg and the tellg. If we want to work with the seekp and the tellp, definitely that one is related to the put pointer. That one is a put pointer. Means if we work related to a put pointer, and if we previously know about what exact the get pointer is only about to reading. Get pointer is about to a reading. And what about the put pointer? That one is related to the writing. That one is related to the writing. This one is very important relation. If we want to read something from the file, definitely we use the seekg or tellg to get the value from the file. If we want to write something into the file, we use the seekp and tellp. Now we will know about these functions, like a seekg and tellg functions are for input stream, like if. These functions comes under the library function of a if stream. And seekp and tellp, that one is comes under the function of library function of output stream, that is op stream. However, if you use them with the fstream object, then tellg tellp returns the same value. Also seekg and seekp work with the same way in the fstream object. Because of ifstream and the ofstream, we can combinedly access that functions under the fstream. These are the some basic theory related to these functions or the file pointers. Now we will understand in detail about this special operation in a file. That means there are a few important functions to be used with the file stream, like tellp. What exact the tellp? Tellp, that one is related to the writing or put pointer. It tells the current position of the put pointer. It tells the current position of the put pointer. It shows the current position of the put pointer, where exact the put pointer is. Now tellg, it tells the current position of the get pointer. Tellg, it gives the current position of the get pointer. We can say, we can mention here gives the current position of get pointer, right? And same thing, tellp gives the current position of put pointer. Then if we know about the basic about the get pointer, that get pointer is used if we want to read the data from file, and put pointer is used when we want to write something into the file. Okay, that one is the difference. Now the tellp, tellg. Now seekp, it moves the put pointer. seekp is used to move the put pointer to mentioned location. If we want to change the location of pointer, then we use the seekp. But where? That one is a put pointer. If we want to move the put pointer, then we use the seekp, which one is used to move the put pointer. Now if we go with the seekg, it moves the get pointer, right? It moves the get pointer. Then what exact the relation? If we want to get the data from file, or it may be the read the data from file, we use the get pointer. And if we want to set the specific position of a into the file, then we use the seekg to go to the particular position. If we want to go with this position and read the data, then seekg go to that position, and tellg, which one is gives the current position. And with the help of this, with the help of current position, we can choose the next position, which one is with the help of seekg. Same thing under the put pointer. Tellp gives the current position of a put pointer, and the seekp moves to the in a particular moves to the put pointer, means to write the data into a particular location. This is to read the data from the particular location. Now these are the four functions which one is helps under the get and put Now the put, it write a single character to the file. Get, it read the single character from the file. If we want to get the data, that one is get it, means we read it with get function, we can read the single character. Same thing, if we want to write the character, then we use the put, that is which one is print the one character under the file with the help of put function. These are the some related information of the file pointers. Now the for seekp and seekg, there are the reference pointer are passed. We will know about with the code what exact these concepts are and what exact the use of that. That is seekp and seekg use this something reference pointer. What the use of that? That is ISOBEG, that is the beginning of the file. Set the particular pointer seekp or seekg at the beginning of the file, then we use this reference pointer. Now we want to check the current position in the file, then we use cur. If we want to put the particular current position of cursor, then we use the end, then it is comes with the end of the file. Now we will use all the particular concept in a programming. That one is, this is simple a program which one is we can easily get the data, or we can easily understood how exact it work. Save, that one is simple, just to run it. It generates a study.txt in a particular location, and we run it. New file is created with the name of study.txt. The file pointer position is 13, right? How? Because of we add the hello friends under the file. As per the tellp, file pointer position is 12. Why? Because of with the help of the st.tellp, it gives the current position. Tellp, what exact the use of tellp? Tellp gives the current position of a get pointer. Tellp gives the current position of a get pointer. That one is a 13. Why 13? Because of we add the hello friends in the file. That one is if we check the particular location, that one is C programming. It contains a file, text file. That one is a study which contains a hello friend. If we check 1 2 3 4 5 space 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Now the cursor at the 13th position. If it is starting with a 0, it's a 12th, and now it's a 13th position. That's why it prints the output as a 13, right? Now the next, it's a seekp. Which one is seekp used to change the cursor position, which is again a cursor. What's the use of cur? Cur, that one is current position. That one is showing the current position, and then change that current position with the -1. That's why it prints here again the with the tellp, which one is showing the current position, which one is showing the current position as a 12. Why? Because of we just to change the tellp current position with the help of seekp, that is making as changing with the -1. That's why it's change it's a 13 to 12, right? This is simply the use of, means if we print with the current position of the tellp, it prints only the data s, right? That is the use. If we change it, now we will change it with the 5, save. It go with the 1 2 3 4 5, means it 5 6 7. If we change it with the 7, the cursor goes to the here, and if we print from the current tellp, it prints only a friend, or it gets the friend value from the data from the file, and it prints that data. This is simply the use of these cursors or the cursor functions under the file pointers, under the file pointers. Now in next lecture we will know about with the programmatically with the all type of example with the tellg, tellp, seekp, seekg, put, get, right? Thank you.